Happy New Year, everyone. Hope everyone had a wonderful and safe New Year's Day. I've wanted to start organizing different spaces in my home for quite some time now. This year, I decided to first tackle my pantry. As you can see, it is cluttered and it's getting harder and harder for me to find space to store my items. My pantry is currently not functional and simply too cluttered. So I will be sharing with you how to declutter a pantry and maximize your space. When organizing your pantry, always take inventory of the food items you already have and try to determine which bins and racks would work best in your space. Also, try to buy bins and racks and other storage containers that would work well in your space, that aren't too bulky and that will also maximize the space you have. I already had these baskets in my pantry, so I went out and purchased just a few more containers I needed with some racks and additional bins for my space. Next, I decluttered each shelf one at a time and I wiped down the liners I placed. And finally, the big reveal, the finished product. I am so happy the way it turned out. It feels so good to declutter and organize this space. On the top shelf, I placed all of the Lysol and Clorox wipes along with all of our paper products. On the second shelf from the top, I placed most of the products that I cook with. On the third shelf, I placed most of the items that I bake with, I make smoothies with, some breakfast items, coffees, waters, and some snacks. And on the bottom shelf, I placed all of the snacks for our little one and ourselves. If you have been thinking of decluttering and organizing spaces in your home, I hope this video inspires you to do so. Join me next time as I continue to declutter and organize different spaces in my home. Thanks for tuning in to Home and Dine Boulevard.